Hi there, Melody from WTI. And it's true, I love bags, but you know what? This Foldie is amazing. Let me tell you why I love the Foldie. It's made from durable and sturdy water and tear resistant fabric. The zippers are of a high quality and I love all the attention to detail, including the handles. And the little clips here on the end allows you to either carry it over your shoulder or you can take it off and just carry it with the two handles. The Foldie bag is also expandable. So just when you think you don't have enough room to pack it a little extra, you can unzip the bottom and you have an extra little bit of space here. It fits so much stuff, whether you're going on vacation, going to the gym. This fit a shoe bag, a large, medium, and a small compression packing cube. And there was still lots of room in here. It's also been designed to fit all airline requirements for carry-on luggage. It's lightweight, it's compact, and perfect for all sorts of uses. And when not in use, this Foldie easily folds up into something small so you could pack it away. So the hype is real. It's awesome. And if you want a different color, there are other colors to choose from. So go pick out your favorite and enjoy your new bag. That's my point of view.